Man, I tell you what, everyone's obsessed with SEO these days. But what if I told you there's a faster way to flood your blog with readers starting today? Forget everything you ever heard about meta tags, keyword research, or waiting 6 months for Google to notice you exist. While your competitors are still playing the SEO waiting game, you could be swimming in traffic, hell, by tomorrow. I'm about to reveal the underground traffic method that works faster than any algorithm update, and you don't need to know a single thing about search engines to use. Hey, you still banking on Google to save your blog? That's like waiting for a taxi in the middle of nowhere while Uber drivers are passing you by every minute. Today, I'm handing you the keys to instant traffic that doesn't depend on Google's mood swings or the latest algorithm shakeup. If technical SEO makes your brain hurt, relax. These methods are so simple that you'll wonder why everyone's making traffic so darn complicated. Ready to stop waiting and start winning? Let's dive in. Traffic hack number one, master the Facebook group game. Stop treating Facebook groups like your personal billboard. There's a smart play. Join 3 to 5 active groups in your niche and become genuinely helpful first. Share wins, answer questions, drop value bombs. Then, when someone asks exactly what your blog post solves, you swoop in and I actually dealt with the exact problem last month. Here's what finally worked for me. Followed by your link. It's not selling, it's solving. Traffic hack number two. Pinterest is your 24/7 traffic machine. Pinterest isn't just mood boards anymore. It's a search engine with 400 million monthly users hunting for solutions. Create eye-catching vertical pins with headlines that make people stop scrolling. The 5-minute morning routine that changed everything beats my morning routine every time. One viral pin can send traffic to your blog for years, not months. Traffic hack number three, turn your blog into Twitter Gold or X. Take your best blog insights and transform them into Twitter threads or X threads or LinkedIn carousels. Start with a hook. Deliver 5 to 7 quick tips, then end with the full step-by-step breakdown. I cover everything in here and then put your link. You're giving value up front so the click feels earned and not forced. Rapid fire traffic hacks number four. Become the hero of Q&A sites. Search your blog topic on Quora or Reddit. Find people desperately asking for exactly what you wrote about. Drop a genuine, helpful answer, then casually mention, I actually wrote a detailed guide on this if you want to dive deeper. Boom, targeted traffic from people already interested. Hack number five, hijack Medium's audience. Republish your content on Medium with a simple note. Originally published on your blog, you're borrowing Medium's massive readership while directing traffic back to your site. It's like getting a free ride on someone else's highway. Hack number six, activate your personal network. Text 5 friends. Hey, I just published something I'm proud of. Would you mind taking a quick look? And if it resonates, feel free to share it. Personal recommendations still triumph over algorithms every single time. Traffic hack number 7, create your own traffic loop. Don't let readers hit your blog and just vanish. And every post with a clear next step. If this helps, you'll love this related post. Or ready to go deeper? Grab my free toolkit here. Turn one-time visitors into subscribers and subscribers into your personal traffic army. The bottom line, while everyone else is playing the SEO waiting game, you can be driving real traffic today. No complex tools, no keyword research paralyzing, just simple hustle and showing up where your audience already live. And hey, if this has helped you, please like it and comment telling me which hack you'll try first. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more smart blogging and affiliate marketing tips every week. Now go get that traffic. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.